Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Vasquez and today we'll be discussing Hidalgo's 3 levels of culture. The first 3 levels that we talked about were concrete, behavioral, and symbolic. Concrete was the most visible and tangible level of culture. For example, clothes, music, food, games. For me, this includes eating churros and tamales with my family, spending Christmas Eve at my grandmother's house. Every Sunday, my mom used to make menudo for us, and I would also listen to old Taylor Swift like 2006, 2008 with my mom. The next section is behavioral, which defines our social roles, including the language we speak and our approaches to nonverbal communication. So this includes gender roles. So I would help my mom cook growing up. But I also played sports with my brothers. That is because my parents never really put pressure on gender roles. They encouraged us to do whatever we could and reminded us that we can do anything we want possible. Lastly is symbolic. These are how individuals define themselves, for example, custom, spirituality. So I remember when I was younger, my grandmother would take me to church with her, and I still remember those moments to this day. Although I didn't keep up with religion or follow through, just those small moments when I was younger have made such an impact on who I am today. This also leads me into the open discussions I have with my parents. Uh, we don't really tie ourselves to a religion, but every now and then I have discussions with my parents where we talk about things bigger than us, and this really helps me feel like I am able to think outside of the box and that there's more for me out there. So, all of my levels, concrete, behavioral, and symbolic, have helped shaped me into who I am today. Thank you.